Demystifying reduced relative clauses. Evaluating progress and understanding. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive deeper into our intermediate grammar series with a special focus on reduced relative clauses. Specifically, we're going to look at the topic of evaluating progress and understanding. This is crucial because tracking your progress can help you fine-tune your learning strategy and get you closer to mastering English grammar. Before we begin evaluating our understanding, let's have a quick refresher on what reduced relative clauses are. Reduced relative clauses are a simpler way of expressing a relative clause. For example, instead of saying, "The man who is standing over there is my uncle," we can reduce this clause to, "The man standing over there is my uncle." This simplification makes our English sound more natural and fluid. To evaluate your progress and understanding of reduced relative clauses, there are a few techniques we can use. First, self-assessment through practice exercises and quizzes. They provide immediate feedback and allow you to see where you are going right or wrong. This can be as simple as transforming sentences with full relative clauses into reduced ones. Another technique is peer evaluation. Partner up with a study buddy, exchange your exercises and evaluate each other's work. This is a great way to expose yourself to different ways of thinking and learn from each other's mistakes. How do you know if you're making progress with reduced relative clauses? Here are a few signs to look out for. 1. You're able to identify reduced relative clauses in written and spoken English. 2. You're more comfortable using reduced relative clauses in your own speech and writing. 3. You're making fewer mistakes when converting full relative clauses into reduced ones. Remember, progress is not always linear. Don't get discouraged if you find yourself struggling at times. It's a normal part of the learning process. Now that you have tools to assess your understanding and monitor your progress, it's important to constantly practice. The more exposure you have to reduced relative clauses, the more natural they will feel to you. Take note of any persistent mistakes and try to understand why you're making them. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're finding it difficult to correct these on your own. That wraps up our topic on evaluating progress and understanding of reduced relative clauses. I hope these tips help you in your English learning journey. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to mastering English grammar. Keep practicing, stay positive, and happy learning.